All right, guys, we're back to another one here. We're working on a Toro SS5000. That's a zero turn that we bought every bit of probably 8 years ago. Man, this thing's been a great mower. We did have to put a battery back in it. Looked like 21, we put one in it. Now we're having a little bit of a solenoid issue. And so hopefully we can kind of show you how to look for it. So our problem is it just clicks. So these they're magnetized, so if you get a low battery, that would be the first place to start. But we've already charged ours, and you can usually tell by crossing it over. So these are only 12 volt. You do not have to worry about getting electric shock or anything like that. So you can come right here between your two hot legs where this red is, and so that lets us know that the motor's wanting to spin. So definitely our issue. Just like where we started at with the Acadia, we want to take this negative battery terminal off. So we'll start doing that. Got that down and out of the way. Put our nuts over here. And then we will, just like yesterday, we'll need a 13. It looks like a 10 after that, but we'll take a 13, take these hot legs off. Allergies are killing me right now, so I'm trying not to sniff too much and sound like a Mr. Runny Nose, but it kind of got me. So this little recent growth in our grass kind of forced me to do this early. I wanted to pull the mower in, take the deck off for the winter time, check all the pulleys, and then fix this issue as well, but grass is still growing, so I'd like to get it over with, get it out of the way. Blue on the right, green on the left. Try to remember that. So always best to take pictures, but I don't feel that I need to with this one. I think I can remember that. It's got two hold down bolts, one on the front side, one on the back. We'll get those babies up out of there. I believe a lot of these little small jobs like this, if you can try to do them yourself, save a few dollars. Every little bit counts in today's world. Everything is so expensive. So if you can watch a dumb little video like this and learn something from it and save yourself a few dollars, that's kind of the point of my doing these videos. Probably not the best person to watch, most appealing, but like I said, if I can show somebody how to save $1 or $2, that's what I'm after. So most of these solenoids are adjustable. I guess I could show you what I'm talking about. It's got slots, so it kind of makes them universal to different mowers or whatnot. So I always start my bolts, make sure if it's got 2 or 100. I start them all and then I run them down. I don't ever tighten them one until all my bolts are started. So make sure our solenoid's facing the right direction here. Got that front one started. Now we're going to start that back one. All right. So here's our extension. There's that. There's that. So one hot leg on the back. And that one here is going to our starter. So we'll put it on first. With a nut here, I don't like to over tighten these, so I'll end up using a ratchet with those. Whether it's mine or somebody else's, I like to make sure that I attempt to do it correctly. I'm not saying I always do. Everybody's entitled to messing up, so. With these videos going out, I put out quite a few lately. Went on pause for a while and then deleted a bunch. I had a lot that was towboat related, deleted a bunch. But we're gonna give it another go ahead, try it and see if it works out. But with these, if you see something that you know is not correct, and I'm doing it incorrect, drop a comment, let me know. This is all a learning process for everybody, not just me. So I want this channel to be able to help people, including myself. So if you wouldn't mind, if you're watching this, I hate to say it, but like it, follow it, and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. I'd like to get this channel off its feet and in the air. So, guess back to this. I always like to put the covers back, even if they are bad. I like to at least purchase them and put them back. Left was green, right is blue. Put all these bad boys back. There's that. Sounds like we're getting a little bit of power there finally. Okay, so everything is hooked back up. Let's give her a whirl here. I think our battery is a little bit low, but hopefully it might start it up. Okay, I think that fixed our problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. If there's things that I could help with, please feel free to ask in the comments. And once again, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe and comment or like or dislike. Show me what I can do better. We can all do better. So thank you for watching.